In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix lags or FPS problems in Rust. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search bar and here we look for choose power plants. So click on this and here we have our power plants from our PC and we can click on high performance or on the balanced mode. You can choose what you want. And after that, we can go into the search bar, look for the settings. Click on this and then we click on gaming and here we click on the game bar. If you don't use the game bar, if you don't need it, turn it off. After that we have captures, and if you screen record with OBS or you don't screen record, you can turn this off because this is a pre-installed screen recording program from Windows. And then we can go back again and here we have the game mode, and here you have to turn the game mode on. This is really important. And after that, we can go into the search bar again, look for the task manager. So click on task manager and then we click on auto start apps, and here we can turn off that apps automatically start when you turn on your PC. So right click on the apps you don't want that this happen when you turn on your PC, right click on it and then you can disable it. After that we can click on processes again, and for this step you have to open Rust before you can do this, and you have to do it by every restart. So when you have opened your Rust, I do this now with Google Chrome for the example because I haven't started Rust right now, but there's no problem. This is exactly the same. Right click on it, right click on Rust, go to details. If you can't click on it, no problem. Go on the click on the left arrow, choose one of these processes. It's not important which one. Right click on it, go to details. So, and it is not important how many there are. There can be one, there can be three, there can be five. This is not important. So right click on the task, set priority, and here we can click on real time, change priority, and after that you do this with all processes from Rust which are running right now, and after that your FPS problems should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot, and then see you next time.